Did you know your energy is the reason you keep attracting the wrong men? Here's what most women don't realize. When you're exhausted, stressed, and running on empty, you're broadcasting low-frequency energy. And guess what that attracts? Men who match that same low energy. The emotionally unavailable ones. The ones who give minimum effort. The ones who disappear when things get real. But here's the game changer. When you start healing yourself and raising your vibration, everything shifts. You become magnetic to higher quality men. Think about it. And when you feel good about yourself, when you're glowing from within, when you've done the inner work, you naturally repel the wrong guys and attract the right ones. It's not about being perfect. It's about being whole. The men who are ready for real love can sense when a woman has her energy right. They're drawn to that confidence, that peace, that self-love. Your energy is your superpower in dating. So tell me, what are you doing today to raise your frequency? Drop a heart if this hit different.